Data processing is a critical component across various industries, serving as the backbone for decision-making, strategic planning, and operational efficiency. Here's an expanded view of its importance in different sectors. Healthcare. Medical coding accurate data processing is vital for translating medical diagnoses and procedures into standardized codes used for billing and insurance purposes. Patient care processing patient data helps in tracking health outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. Finance. For risk assessment, financial institutions rely on data processing to evaluate credit risks and make lending decisions. Fraud detection algorithms process transaction data to identify and prevent fraudulent activities. For retail. Inventory management data processing helps retailers track inventory levels and forecast demand to optimize stock. Customer insights analyzing customer data allows for personalized marketing and improved customer experiences. Manufacturing. Quality control processing data from sensors and machines enables manufacturers to monitor quality in real time. Supply chain optimization data processing is used to streamline operations and reduce costs in the supply chain. Education. Student performance educational institutions process data to assess student performance and improve educational outcomes. Resource allocation data helps in making informed decisions about resource distribution and curriculum development. Transportation. Route optimization data processing is used to analyze traffic patterns and optimize delivery routes. Safety monitoring processing data from vehicles and infrastructure can enhance safety measures and reduce accidents. Technology. Software development data processing is integral to developing algorithms and improving software functionality. User experience analyzing user data helps in refining interfaces and improving the overall user experience. Telecommunications. Network management data processing is essential for managing network traffic and ensuring reliable connectivity. Customer service processing call and usage data helps in providing better customer service and resolving issues efficiently. Government. Public services governments process data to improve public services and policy making. Resource management data helps in managing natural resources and planning for sustainable development. Entertainment. Content recommendation streaming services use data processing to recommend personalized content to users. Trend analysis. The entertainment industry analyzes data to identify trends and make production decisions. In every industry, data processing transforms raw data into actionable insights, enabling organizations to innovate, compete, and provide value to customers. It's a fundamental aspect of modern business that drives growth, efficiency, and success.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell.